Hello, childrens. This is the first chapter of English course, class 4th, and the lesson name is Not Our Problem. This lesson is focused on a lazy king and his careless behavior. Have you heard the proverb, a stitch in time saves nine? This means that if you need to do something, it is better to do it right away before it becomes a bigger problem. The insight said that there is a proverb, a stitch in time saves nine. It means that if you want to do something, it's better to do it right now or it becomes a bigger problem. Okay, if you want to do something, then do it on the time. Otherwise, it will become a huge problem. Let's look into this story. In this first scene, there's a king and his advisor eating honey on puffed rice, and they talked of this and that. One day, a king and his advisor sat on the palace and ate puffed rice with honey. And they talked of this and that, means they talked something and eating their food. And they use honey with the rice. Okay. In the second scene, the king, not paying attention to what he was doing, let a drop of honey fall into the windowsill. On that time, the king became very careless and from him a drop of honey fell into the windowsill. We can see that in the picture. A drop of honey fell into the windowsill. In the fourth scene, the advisor of the king saw that and he asked the permission to wipe out that drop of honey. And he said that, oh sir, let me wipe that out, wipe that up. At the time, the king replied, never mind, it's not our problem. The palace helpers will clean it later. And the king said that it is not their problem. The palace helpers will clean it later. After that, the king and his advisor continued to eat. The drop of honey slowly began to drip down the windowsill. They continued their talking, and after that, the drop of honey slowly began to drip down the windowsill. At last, it fell with a plop into the street below. That honey fell down in the street below. Soon, a fly landed on the drop of honey and started its own meal. Sometimes later, a fly landed on the drop of honey and started its own meal. There's a bee came there and it started its own meal. Immediately, a lizard sprang out and with a flick of its tongue and swallowed the fly. At that moment, a lizard came there and it caught the bee and ate it. But a cat saw the lizard and pounced on it. And the same thing has happened. The cat is came there and caught the lizard and ate it. At that moment, there is a dog came there and attacked the cat. Then a dog sprang forward and attacked the cat. All this happened because of that honey. First, a fly came there and started to eat the honey, and a lizard came there and lizard caught the bee and ate it. After that, a cat is came there and caught the lizard and ate it. After that, a dog is came there and the cat and dog become started fighting on that street. And the king's advisor saw that and he said to the king, sir, there seemed to be a cat and dog fight in the street. Should we call someone to stop it? But the Lazy King said that, never mind, it is not our problem. He said that it is not their problem, so don't care about that. Meanwhile, the cat's owner arrived and beat the dog with a stick. The dog's owner ran up and began to throw stones at the cat. Soon they started fighting with each other. After that, the owner of the cat and the dog came there and they started fighting each other. It said again, son, there was two persons fighting in the street now. Shouldn't we send someone to break this up? But the king said, is not our problem. Because of the careless mind of that king, the problem became more aggressive. The friends of the cat's owner and the dog's owner joined to cheer them on. Soon, both groups ended the fight and attacked each other. First, the dog and the cat started fighting, and the owners of the cat and dog joined the team and they started fighting. Now, the friends of the each man came there and then joined with them, and it became a group war or group fighting. And the advisor saw that and he said, sir, a number of people are fighting in the street now. Perhaps we should call someone to stop them. But the lazy king said again, it's not our problem because the king doesn't care about anything happened around him. Now, soldiers arrived on the scene. At first, they tried to break up the fighting, but when they heard the cause of the fight, some sided with the cat's owner, others sided with the dog's owner. Now, we can see that in the picture, the soldiers came there on the scene and they asked what is the problem, and they said about the problem, and some of the soldiers stand with the dog's owner and others stand with the cat's owner. The soldiers too had joined the fight. After that, the fighting became more aggressive because of the soldiers came into that scene. They joined the fight. With the soldiers involved, the fight turned into a civil war. The small problem became more aggressive and it became a civil war. Houses were burned down, people were harmed, the place itself has set a fire and burned into the ground. After all, the king and his advisor stood looking at the ruins. And the king said that, perhaps I was wrong. Perhaps the drop of honey was our problem. Now the king understood that it is by his mistake. And he said that I was wrong. Perhaps the drop of honey was the problem. They understood that that drop of honey became the source of the all problems. Story said that if we want to do something, we should do it on time. Otherwise, it will become a huge problem like this. Now we can see that all this is happened because of that little bit of honey.